Hi everyone! In this video you will see how to crochet my unique stitch pattern. For work I will use 1.4 mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters and 50 grams. Please join me and let's get started crocheting. You can choose your favorite color of yarn and your favorite crochet hook. Let's look at my pattern. My pattern consists of 4 stitches. So I will repeat my stitches 4 times in a row and I will add 4 more stitches for more beautiful look. So for pattern I'm using 16 stitches and plus 4 stitches for more beautiful look. You can use this pattern to create blanket or another accessories for home or kitchen. Or you can use this pattern to create a clothes. Let's crochet the pattern. I will begin from the foundation chain, make a chain of 20. Pattern consists of 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. My foundation chain is ready. Let's crochet the first row. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. Let's crochet the first row. It is going to be preparation row. Make a chain to bring up the yarn and insert the hook into the third chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet and single crochet into the each chain stitch of the foundation chain. Like this. My preparation row is ready. Let's crochet the next row. Let's crochet the first row of the main pattern. Pattern consists of 4 rows and has 4 stitches. Chain of 4 to bring up the yarn. Turn the work. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the second stitch. Make treble crochet. Well done. Let's crochet my unique stitch. For this, yarn over the hook. Insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands and pull up a loop. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second pair and pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop. Then yarn over, pull through 3 loops. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook, pull through first 3 loops. Then yarn over, pull through loops on the hook. My unique stitch is ready. I really like this stitch. I created it using different pattern. This is my own stitch pattern. Continue. Chain of 2. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first stitch. Then second one. Insert the hook into the third stitch. Make treble crochet. And let's crochet my unique stitch that based on treble crochet. Let's repeat. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair of horizontal strands, pull up a loop, yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the second pair, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through loops on the hook. Chain of 2. My second unique stitch is ready. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip 2 stitches and treble crochet into the 3rd stitch. And let's repeat. Yarn over, insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop, and pull up a loop into the 2nd pair, insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through, chain of 2, and so on. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. I'm about complete row 1 of main pattern. Let's stop and look what I have done. My unique stitch has 2 tops. 1, 2. Let's crochet row 2. It is going to be a row of single crochet stitches. I remind you, I'm done pattern 4 times in a row. For the stitches I'm using 16 stitches plus 4 stitches for more beautiful look. My unique stitch based on 2 stitches and 2 tops on the top. Let's complete this row. Yarn over the hook twice. Insert the hook into the chain stitch that I did in the previous row. Make treble crochet. Here what I have at this point. Let's crochet row 2 of the main pattern. It is going to be a row of single crochet as I told you before. Make a chain, turn the work. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook into the 2nd stitch, make single crochet 1, 2, make 2 single crochet into the chain space, 1 and 2. Let's count 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. I'm about to complete this row. Let's count 1 and 2. Insert the hook into the chain stitch. This is the first chain stitch from the top, or this is the 4th chain stitch from the bottom. Make single crochet. My row 2 is ready. Here how it looks. Let's crochet row 3. It is going to be row 3 of the main pattern. For this, as I did before, 1, 2, 3, 4 chains to bring up the yarn. Turn the work, then chain of 2 for the chain space. Yarn over the hook twice. I skip the first stitch, insert the hook, then skip 1, 2, and insert the hook into the next stitch. And make my unique stitch. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the first pair. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the next pair, pull up a loop. Insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, then pull through 3 loops and pull through loops on the hook. Chain of 2, yarn over the hook twice, 1, 2. Insert the hook into the 3rd stitch, make treble crochet. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop, 1 and 2, and into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops, pull through all loops. Chain of 2. Keep working this way till the end of this row. Then I will show you how to complete it. Here what I have at this point. I almost done my current row. Let's complete this row. Once I chain in the last chain space, yarn over the hook twice. I skip 2 stitches, insert the hook into the 3rd stitch. I insert the hook into the chain stitch, make treble crochet. My row is ready. My unique magic stitches are ready. I would say this is the double stitches. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook to create your own personal project. Let's crochet a row of single crochet. Chain to bring up the yarn, turn the work. Let's crochet row 4 of the main pattern. Work into the chain space. Make 2 single crochet into the chain space. I skip a stitch. Then 2 single crochet in a row. Then 2 single crochet, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. And now I show you how to complete this row with me. Make 2 single crochet into the chain space. 1, 2. I count from the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. Insert the hook into the 4th stitch. Make single crochet. So my pattern is ready. You can repeat your 4 rows as many times as you need for your project. So 2 of them are rows of single crochet stitches and other 2 are my unique stitches. All additional information about the tools, kind of tools, could be found in the description of this video tutorial. Let's crochet the next row. 1, 2, 3, 4 chains. I will start and you should continue with your own. Make treble crochet 1, 2. Make treble crochet into the 2nd stitch. Well done. Yarn over the hook, insert the hook into the pair, pull up a loop. Pull up a loop and insert the hook into the next stitch, pull up a loop, pull through 3 loops and pull through all loops on the hook. Make chain of 2 and make treble crochet. So that's it, my project is ready. Here how it looks when I'm done. I remind you, my pattern consists of 4 rows and has 4 stitches. My unique stitch based on treble crochet. For this project you can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time. It was Maria from Crochet Fashion. Don't miss my new video tutorials every week. Bye!